Yeah, actually, plants have quite the intelligence. Most of them are more intelligent than we are. Did you ever talk to trees? Did you ever hear them talk back? If you hear them talk back, realize that somebody thinks you're a special person, because most trees are so fed up with humankind that they almost have made a pact. They won't talk to us anymore because we a long time ago stopped listening, and then we started abusing them, and they decided they gave up. There are a lot of species that actually do feel that way. I remember having one very arrogant tree say, "So I hear you can hear us." I thought I was losing my mind. Hello? And then an ivy plant that was hanging in my window had to literally reached over and grab my hair 3 different times in the same 10-minute period. The tree is talking to you. It is the tree. Yes, it's the tree. So the ivy tells me it's the tree. I hear, oh well, I'm over the edge anyway, so I might as well go for it. Hello, tree. You're talking to me. Yes, consider it a privilege. And it was that tree was an angry tree. It was a bush, actually. Maybe it was angry because it had Napoleon syndrome. I don't know. It was short, but no. But it was interesting. It taught me something fascinating about plants and things. And by the way, the plants, some of them come from other matrices that are working Metatronic. And you can sense the attitude. I mean, I'm getting pretty good where I can sense a Jehovian tree from a Drac tree, from a, yeah. I mean, we all come from the same core groups. You know, there are bugs, plants, rocks, trees, animals, humans, the whole thing. They all have a family affiliation up there. But there are some trees that are emerald trees, and they're very wise and patient, and they usually don't say very much at all unless they're asked. But if they're asked nicely, they tend to first communicate in emotion, and they'll move a feeling toward you and around you, almost like an invitation. All right, do I hear you're possibly talking to me? They're not angry. Some of the other trees that feel we let them down, if we were to help them evolve, and we didn't as human beings on this planet, or if we, certain of our kind of abused them, they may very well be ticked off at us. But these particular trees, and they don't always come in the same species. You can find one species, just like you can find one racial group that has all of the colors represented in it on the soul levels. So you can't just say, okay, I'm going to go find myself a fig tree because fig trees are emerald. It's not that easy. It's by feel. But there are trees here that have commissions with the keepers of the radon cells, that they will teach you things. I know the one tree a long time ago that talked to me, or the bush, it told me something, and it explained something to me that